Hi friend, today we are going to see the important topic from the ecology, that is halophytes. So let's see this halophytes. First of all, let's see what is meant by the halophytes. Halophytes word is derived from the two words, that is halo and phyta. So generally this halophytes grows in salty condition, that is this halophytes is present in salty water, salty soil, etc. So let's see this halophytes. The types of halophytes. The halophytes are classified into the four types. One is lithophilous halophytes. Generally, this lithophilous halophytes grows in salty rocks. If you see the seashore, this seashore sometimes has the rocky surface, and this rocks has the salt in it, and on that salty rocks sometimes the plant grows, then that is called as lithophilous halophytes. Second type is Samiophilous halophytes. Samiophilous halophyte means the halophyte which grows in sandy sand, but which have the salty sand. So those sand which has the salt, on such sand the plant grows, then that plant is called as Samiophilous halophytes. Third type is Paleophilous halophytes. Paleophilous halophyte means those plants which grows in salty soil. Sometimes the soil has the large amount of salt in it, and in this soil, salty soil, the plant grows, then that is called as Paleophilous halophytes. Next type is Haliophilous halophytes. Haliophilous halophyte means those plant which grows in salty water. That halophyte is Haliophilous halophyte. But this Haliophilous halophyte again get divided into the two. One is salt swamp and the second one is literal swamp. These are the types of Haliophilous halophytes. Then the ecological adaptation in halophytes is generally studied or divided into the three types. One is morphological adaptation. Second one is anatomical adaptation. And the third one is physiological adaptation. So, in this way, the ecological adaptations we are going to study by dividing it into the three. First, morphological adaptation, in which we see how the externally these halophytes has the adaptations to survive in salty condition. In the anatomical adaptation, we see the internal adaptation in the halophyte so that they can survive in the salty condition. Third one, physiological adaptation. In the physiological adaptation, we see that which are the different physiological adaptations inside that plant, metabolic adaptation inside that plant so that they can survive in the salty habitat. Generally, morphological adaptation and anatomical adaptation, it get divided into the three important types, that is root, stem and leaves, because the plant morphologically it get divided into root, stem and leaves. So that's why morphological adaptations and internal adaptations we are dividing in these three types.